Hello everyone and welcome to the Dragon Code. In this video we will cover conditional statements in JavaScript. In this picture you can see conditional statements in JavaScript: if, else, else if, switch and ternary operator. To use if conditional statement you need if keyword, then in brackets you need to put condition. I will put 2 is greater than 1. And then in curly brackets you put block of code that will be executed if condition is true. So I will write console log condition is true. And you can see that block of code that belongs to if statement is executed because condition is true. 2 is greater than 1. But if condition is false, 2 is greater than 5, nothing happens. So this block of code is just skipped. There's also else conditional statement. You need else keyword and block of code. So I will here print console log and I will print condition is false. False. And now you can see that block of code inside else statement is executed. This is because condition is false. When condition is true, block of code in if statement is executed, and when condition is false, code in else statement is executed. But else statement only goes in combination with if statement. You cannot have only else statement. Here you can see I have error. And there's also else if statement, and it goes between if and else. And you can have multiple else if statements. To explain it better, I will use one real life example. Let's imagine you want to eat in a restaurant and there are 3 restaurants. For that I will have 3 boolean variables. Restaurant 1 open. Those are going to be boolean variables. Restaurant 1, 2 and 3. And also imagine that you want to eat first in first restaurant, then in second, and last in third restaurant. So if first restaurant is opened, restaurant 1, eat in the first restaurant. I'm missing T's here. So if first restaurant is opened, I will eat in the first restaurant. If not, then I will check if second restaurant is opened. Restaurant 2 open. And if it is, I will eat then in second restaurant. In second restaurant. If also second restaurant is closed, then I will check if third restaurant is opened. Restaurant 3 open. And then if it is, I will eat in third restaurant. Eat in the third restaurant. And if none of restaurants is opened, then you will eat at home. Eat at home. So here first condition is true. Restaurant 1 is opened, so you will eat in first restaurant. And you don't care about other conditions. So only if first condition is false, you move to the next condition. So if it is false, first restaurant is closed, you will check if second restaurant is opened. It is, you will eat in second restaurant. You also won't care about other conditions. If also second restaurant is closed, you will then check third restaurant, it is opened, you will eat in third restaurant. And if all are closed, then else statement will be executed, so you will eat at home. But in case first restaurant is opened but second and third are closed, you will still eat in first restaurant because you don't care about conditions below. Also, if first restaurant is closed but second is opened and third is also closed, you will eat in second restaurant. Next conditional statement is switch. Switch is good to use when you have a lot of conditions. It is better to use switch than multiple else if statements. Now I will write switch statement that will print name of day in the week based on number. So I will declare day variable and then write switch statement. So I need switch keyword and in brackets I will pass variable. And in curly brackets I'll write conditions. So in case day is 1, I will print in console Monday. Monday. And I also need to break condition. And I will do the same for rest of days in the week. So I will copy this. In case day is 2, it is Tuesday. Then I will copy this. Case 3, 4, 5, 6, and one more, 7. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And there's also default case. It will be executed if none of these conditions is true. So I will then print console log wrong day number and also break. And now I will assign value to day variable. So if it is 1, it is Monday, 5 Friday, 7 Sunday, and if value is not in range from 1 to 7, for example 85, wrong day number, default condition. I need to use break keyword to break condition. Now you will see what will happen if I don't use that. So I will replace with empty string, and now if value is 4, Thursday is printed, but all other conditions are printed. So I will go back with break keywords. And last conditional statement is ternary operator. It is actually just shorter way to write if-else statement. Now I will write one ternary operator and I will print in console. So in ternary operator you have 3 parts. First is condition. 2 is greater than 1. Then with question mark you separate code that will be executed if condition is true. I will print yes. And then with column you separate code that will be executed if condition is false. I will print no. And you can see here because condition is true, yes is printed, and if condition is false, no is printed. So it is basically just shorter way to print if-else statement. This is all for this video. If you like this video and want more videos like this, press like button and subscribe, and see you next time.